is equal to 1 is K shell and the orbital present is 1s with 2 electrons. N is equal to 2 is L shell and the orbitals present are 2s and 2p with 2 plus 6, that is equal to 8 electrons. N is equal to 3 is M shell and the orbitals present are 3s, 3p and 3d with 2 plus 6 plus 10 electrons, that is equal to 18 electrons. N is equal to 4 is N shell and the orbitals present are 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f with 2 plus 6 plus 10 plus 14 electrons, that is 32 electrons. Consider 2s and 4p orbitals, 2s and 4p. Which has higher energy? 4p has higher energy than 2s. It is because for 4p, n is equal to 4 and for 2s, n is equal to 2. That is, as the n value increases, energy will also increase. Similarly, consider 2p and 3p orbitals. Out of 2p and 3p, which is larger? Though it is p orbital, 2p is associated with the second shell and 3p is associated with the third shell. Therefore, 3p is larger than 2p. Principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number are the three quantum numbers used to describe an orbital. Fourth quantum number, known as spin quantum number, if included along with the other three, will help us to describe an electron completely. You know that an electron rotates around the nucleus. It also rotates around its own axis. This is called self-rotation or spinning of electron. Spin quantum number therefore indicates the direction of spin of an electron. That is, whether an electron is spinning in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Spin quantum number is denoted by the letter S, and S is equal to plus half shows that the spin of the electron is in clockwise direction, and S is equal to minus half shows that the spin of electron is in anti-clockwise direction. Spin quantum number can also be denoted by the letter ms. Thus, ms is equal to plus half shows electron spinning in clockwise direction, and ms is equal to minus half shows electron spinning in anti-clockwise direction. Let us now discuss about nodal surface or nodes. What are nodes? Nodes are regions where the probability of finding an electron reduces to 0. There are two types of nodes, radial and angular nodes. Number of angular nodes is given as equal to L and number of radial nodes is given as equal to n minus L minus 1. So the total number of nodes will be the sum of radial and angular nodes. So thus we get the total number of nodes as L plus n minus L minus 1, that is equal to n minus 1 nodes. Consider 1s orbital. For 1s orbital, n is equal to 1 and L is equal to 0. Therefore, number of angular nodes will be equal to the L value. And what is L value for 1s? It is equal to 0. Therefore, s orbital has no angular nodes. Now consider radial nodes. It is given as n minus L minus 1. And for 1s, what is n minus L minus 1 equal to? 1 minus 0 minus 1, or it is equal to 0. Therefore, 1s has no nodes, both radial and angular nodes. Now consider 3s orbital. For 3s, n is equal to 3 and L is equal to 0. Since L is equal to 0, 3s has no angular nodes. But how many radial nodes are there for 3s? It will be equal to n minus L minus 1. Or if we substitute the values of n and L for 3s, we will get n minus L minus 1 as equal to 3 minus 0 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Therefore, 3s has two nodes. The two nodes are radial nodes and 3s has no angular nodes. Let us now try to understand about boundary surface diagrams. Boundary surface diagrams are diagrams in which the density of the dots in a region represents electron probability density in that region. Therefore, boundary surface diagrams give a good representation of the shapes of the orbitals. So it will be possible for us to determine the shape of the orbital from the boundary surface diagram. Thus we come to know that the s orbital is spherical in shape, p orbital is dumbbelled and d orbital is double dumbbell shaped. You can say that the s orbital is spherical in shape, p orbital is dumbbell shaped and d orbital is double dumbbell shaped. Let us now discuss about the energy of the orbitals. Consider figure A. The orbitals of hydrogen atom are shown. 1s orbital has the lowest energy. It is the most stable state and therefore it is known as the ground state. 2s and 2p orbitals have energy greater than 1s, but 2s and 2p have the same energy. So these orbitals are said to be degenerate since they have the same energy. Next we have 3s, 3p and 3d orbitals. All the three orbitals, that is 3s, 3p and 3d, have the same energy. Therefore they are also degenerate, but they have energy greater than 1s, 2s and 2p orbitals. Therefore, the energy of the orbitals in hydrogen atom increases as 1s less than, 2s equal to 2p less than, 3s equal to 3p is equal to 3d less than, 4s is equal to 4p is equal to 4d is equal to 4f less than, and so on. Consider figure B, which shows the energies of orbitals of other atoms other than hydrogen atom. Here we find that the orbitals are not arranged as in the case of hydrogen atom. Here the orbitals are arranged according to n plus L rule. Consider 1s orbital. For 1s orbital, n plus L is equal to 1 plus 0, which is equal to 1. Therefore 1s orbital has the lowest energy. Next we find that the energy of 2s and 2p orbitals are not the same. We find that the 2s orbital has a lower energy compared to 2p. Why is it so? It is again because it obeys n plus L rule. For 2s orbital, n plus L value is equal to 2 plus 0, which is equal to 2. Whereas for 2p orbital, what is n plus L value equal to? For 2p, 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Therefore, n plus L value is lower for which orbital? 2s orbital. Therefore, 2s orbital has lower energy compared to 2p. For 2p, the n plus L value is 3.